Hi guys, welcome back to GSP. Today I am going to do something that I thought that we had done before, but just in case, let's do it again. I want to show you guys how to share a document with me and Miss Buckler so that we can grade the assignments that you guys turn in. If you don't do this, then we'll never be able to grade your assignments, and then we will all be sad and not succeed in high school together. So you are going to go to the top right-hand corner where it says share. If you guys just made a copy for yourself and you haven't shared it with us yet, it will say restricted. It will not say Bartholomew Consolidated School Corporation. It will say restricted. I want you to hit the share button where it says get link. So I'm just going to go ahead and mess this up right now. Yours is going to say this, right? So you are going to click on this link. Oh, shoot. And you are going to hit change to BCSC, copy link. And this link that is now copied to your clipboard is going to be what you send to us in your submission. So when you guys go here and you click, I have submitted a copy of this document to my facils for an agency grade, and it says submit a shareable link to this document here. You will copy and paste this link right here. So where it says, I thought I would find one with my name on it, but I guess not. I'm so proud of all of you guys. So Miss Buckler, oh, she's been removed. Anyway, you guys would pretty much just submit it right here. And that is all that you need to do. Thank you so much for your time. And that's how to share a link.